The upcoming Google Pixel Watch 2 leak reveals major upgrades over its predecessor. If the leaks are halfway accurate, the Pixel Watch 2 could be worth the wait. Google is expected to launch its second-generation Pixel Watch later this year alongside the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. While the company is yet to officially announce anything about the upcoming device, multiple leaks have revealed a few key details about it. A recent leak revealed the 4 new watch faces that the device is expected to ship with, while an earlier leak claimed that it could have an aluminum casing to make it lighter than its predecessor. A new leak has now seemingly revealed some key hardware specifications of the Pixel Watch 2. According to Android Authority, a next-gen Pixel Watch will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon Q5 Gen 1 SoC. This chip is fabricated on Samsung's Phonom node and comes with 4 Cortex F53 cores clocked up to 1.7 GHz. As pointed out by the report, the original Pixel Watch comes with the 10nm Exynos 9110 under the hood, meaning the upcoming model should offer impressive gains over its predecessor in terms of performance and efficiency. It is worth noting that the chip powering the Pixel Watch 2 will be the standard W5 Gen 1 and not the W5 Plus Gen 1 that comes with a dedicated QCC 5100 coprocessor. Google apparently opted for the non-Plus variant because it wanted to use its own NXP coprocessor like in the original Pixel Watch. Another big upgrade for the Pixel Watch 2 will reportedly be a slightly larger 306 mAh battery compared to the 294 mAh unit in the original model. In addition, the Pixel Watch 2 could come with an ultra-wideband chip, possibly to aid new applications and improve the functioning of existing ones. The report also confirms earlier rumors that the LTE variant of the device has the codename Eros, while the Wi-Fi model is called Aurora. Despite the updated specifications, the Pixel Watch 2 could still retain some aspects of its predecessor, including the design. The second-gen model is rumored to feature a 1.2-inch 384 by 384 round OLED screen like its predecessor, but this time around it will reportedly be sourced from Samsung Display instead of BOE. On the software wide, the Pixel Watch 2 is expected to ship with Wear OS 4 based on Android 13. It is also tipped to be the first smartwatch to support seamless updates, which will enable it to be used normally even while being updated in the background. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel Watch 2? Share your expectations in the comments below, and for more Pixel updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.